Foraging and urban farming here. I just got finished making cheese. This is a Neufchatel, which is a kind of a cream cheese. It's a little bit lower fat than actual cream cheese. So what I did was just mix in a little bit of rennet and about a quarter cup of buttermilk in with about a gallon of our goat milk from our own goat, Belly the Bottomless, because she eats everything. And I let it sit overnight, let it curdle until I achieved like a clean break, which is basically just a solid mass of cheese curds. And then I cut it into, it was more like 1-inch cubes and 1/2-inch cubes. And then I drained it over a bowl and a little cloth here. Technically you're supposed to use cheesecloth, but I have no cheesecloth. And now I am about to tie up the bag, and I'm going to hang it and let it drain for a good long while, maybe something like 8 hours. It's going to take a minute. But this is the beginning stages of the cheese. Peace, guys.